Chinese Amazon diesel heater that we bought. Pretty common one that a lot of people use. Actually, this is the same one that Matt from Ozark Overland Adventures bought. And first time we used this was out at their Patreon event.
It worked excellent.
It worked amazing on low. It even comes with this little fancy remote. Woohoo! But it leaks. Obviously, you can see this wood is saturated. We put kerosene in it because we have to run kerosene in that. Otherwise, that thing has to be rebuilt all the time.
It burns cleaner, so I figured it would make this run cleaner too.
Yes. So now
So
we
far,
need.
I think it does 100% run cleaner.
Yeah. Well, kerosene's diesel number 1. Because the 92 in our Chevy will run on kerosene too, being old 12 valves.
Yeah, so when we came back, this thing still had over half a tank, and it's down, it's really low. Just from sitting.
Yeah. I did. Yep, see here. Saturated the shelf. I did reach out to Amazon asking for a replacement. They said that they couldn't give me a replacement because they don't have access to the actual seller's inventory, so they did give me a full refund. We're gonna try and see if we can figure out why it leaks, and if we can figure out why it leaks, cool, we just got a free diesel heater. If not, then I'll just buy another one.
Yeah, because we talked to multiple people out there. There was probably 4 of these out there. We're the only one who leaks.
And this is just the platform he put it on.
I didn't want to leave it
on the ground to potentially catch something on fire.
Yeah, because I know the exhaust is going to be a little warm, so why risk it? I do need to take my fancy exhaust mount off. There we go.
Yes.
Yeah, I gotta agree with him. It really is. It really is. Yeah. I think I'll probably want this one. That's not like that. Here, Phillips.
Here's all of the information on it. Made in China. Is it the whole case? Do you got to do these sides too to take it all off? Oh. Oh. It's all wet over there.
Yep.
We're hoping it's just a seal or something. Oh. Oh, there, it's leaking right there. Oh, good God, it's leaking everywhere.
I don't know what it is, but apparently it's a really bad. I think we'll start on this side. Already done with that.
Grab the mini Buzz Buzz.
Hopefully they're loose in there. It didn't hit the ground. That is not a good problem. Did the bumper catch it?
Probably. It's probably in the bumper. Why didn't you catch it?
Where the hell was you?
But I'm right here, recording.
You didn't catch it.
I'm doing the important thing.
You didn't catch it. It's okay. They're little sheet metal screws, no big deal.
Did it just spill when you filled it up?
No.
Are you sure?
There's no hose clamps on there. Look at all that on the outside of that. So,
How do we get hose clamps that small? Zip ties.
not gonna lie, you're probably gonna be what we're gonna do. Yeah, you can see it leaked all in there.
Huh. Careful, because this wood's kind of...
Yeah, barely on there.
Yeah.
I wonder if this fitting here is leaking now.
Can you just shimmy that out?
Yeah. Or is our tank cracked?
I don't know. I would think if it was cracked, it wouldn't be on the hose and stuff, though. I'm watching it leak right now.
Where?
It just came down the bottom.
We had a couple rags.
Here.
Alright, we'll do this.
Do you want a bucket?
I'm gonna try to just tip it like this.
Well, but there's going to be some in the line, right?
Look at that O-ring.
Missed me!
See how the O-rings bulge out of top?
Yep.
there?
Does it not like kerosene?
I just think when they tighten this down, they just...
Okay. Do you want me to get a milk jug to put that into so we can... Oh, we can just put it back in the container.
They're gonna pour right in there.
Yeah. Ooh, pretty spout. Is this full?
No, it's not. It's actually in there. And it's got it almost to 40 degrees in here.
Yep.
From like 15
Yeah.
with no insulation.
Yep.
14-foot sidewalls. Wide open ceiling.
Gaps.
See
Because
here?
we followed the book. Gaps back there. I know you can't see them very well. Here, let me zoom in. Gaps. Moral of the story, don't follow the book.
Yeah. But that's the only thing it misled us on. Okay, see if we can get you in here to see. See that nipple down in there? I don't know if it's going to focus or not. Maybe if I could hold still. You can kind of see on the left side how the O-rings bulge out on the inside too. Yeah, there you go. So, with that like that, and then like that, I'm positive that's what's causing our slow leak. So, we'll have to figure out how to fix it. Yeah. See in there too? I just got the camera to see it. So you see how the O-ring blowing on that side?
Yeah.
Positive that's why we got that slow, annoying leak.
Yep.
Problem is, my hand don't fit in there. The only thing I could think of how to do this is going to be to tie something to this.
Can you use needle nose pliers?
No.
Do you have any long enough?
No. Now, probably enough wrapping a wire around this with the new gasket or whatever we come up with. Fish it through the hole first, come out here, go around there, pull it through. That way it pulls that through.
And instead of using like, I don't remember what it's called, grommets. Can we do a
Maybe
Because
if we can find one that'll work. I don't know how thick this wall is. Yeah, bit it.
I thought you drained it all.
I did. But it keeps on making more. Whole thing's turning. This is probably where the problem actually arises. You can see they use pliers or something to hold this.
Yeah.
This is probably why we got this situation.
Is that working?
Yeah.
Oh, you're turning the whole gasket though. Or seal.
Yeah.
I wonder if it would just lay down now.
So it's got the nicks in it.
Oh.
It's never gonna seal again.
That just looks like a freaking O-ring off of an injector.
Oh yeah, no, that's just a regular. See, diesel is way less corrosive than gas. So.
Well, yeah, because of the sulfur.
You know, even these.
Aren't those O-ring ones?
Yeah. I mean.
Those look too big.
Yeah.
What about that one? Is that one you had?
Yeah. The only trick is this hole they drilled is so it threads in. So I don't know how I'm going to get this back in once I get it out.
What about those grippy things that Levi always plays with?
They go the wrong way.
What do you mean they go the wrong way?
They expand out to grab.
Yeah, you need something to hold that in there, right? It's because you're tilting it. Just dump it out.
No.
Just dump it on the trash can.
It's gone. This poor guy, you can see.
Yep.
Oh, this one's gonna have to be thick though. Look at that.
Yep.
It's cut in.
So like these?
These are too big. At least gotta replace that one. This one's not
Bad.
horrible. I didn't know it had that groove cut in there. So this one very well will seal again. Yeah, it should seal again for sure. This one ain't happening. That one's done. That one's garbage.
So what are you trying to do? Get it back in the hole? Did you get it?
Oh. No. Saying you get the little thing.
The thing where you push it and it's got the little claw and it opens up and you let go and it clamps it. Because if
Getting the one major part.
well, we have a child, so ours is probably gone. Okay. I got it turned like one or twice.
One or twice?
Yeah, once or twice. Shut up! Canned ham to the rescue.
No, Midland.
But it's off of the canned ham.
It worked like a champ.
You think that one's gonna work?
I'm gonna put it on here and see.
Zooming.
I didn't let the piece spin. I think you let it spin, whoever put it together.
Yeah. Now focusing. There. Yep.
Now we need to pour something in here, make sure. It'd be nice if I had a cap.
Don't we have vacuum caps? Did you get it? Or are you just shoving it in the hole?
That's pretty much what I'm trying to do right now.
Gonna let it sit there?
Yep, I got it where it's covering the hole. What happened? When it's in there though, we'll button up the tin. Actually, we're going to take the sheets out of the tin. And they need washed.
That should be good. Okay, so we're gonna let that sit there for a little bit, see if it leaks. In the meantime, we're gonna take the tent down so I can wash the sheet. And yeah, ow, it's hot. So it's been what, 20 minutes?
Yeah, something like that. Dry underneath. We'll give it some more time, but...
Pretty sure it's fixed.
Yeah, because by now it leaked already.
Yeah. Time to put it back together.
Yeah.
Hasn't leaked since. And it's been sitting for what, 30, 45 minutes right now?
So I don't know. If I would have had the two, like, I would have replaced both O-rings, but one seems to be doing it. They just got in a hurry to put it together. But I don't know. I was looking at it and I'm like, you know, it's actually relatively compact for all the packaging. This works fine. This just, it's got ahead of themselves.
It was our luck to get it.
It really is though. It was probably just, you know, they were in a hurry or whatever. Just maybe it's somebody being trained. I don't know. But it was an O-ring.
Kind of like we thought, a seal or something.
So we'll put it together.
And call it good.
But in all honesty, it's a good heater. It works really good. I don't understand the instructions.
Nobody does.
Like, I don't even know what to say. Basically turn the power on and you got a plus minus. There you go. So, alright, I'm going to drain this, put it together. Because I don't think I'm talented enough to, well, I could probably just,
Yeah.
I'd become a little bit, you know what, let's just make this. It'll be great. See if I can just do it this way.
Got it.
Oh, I'm too good. The other cool thing too is it actually has a little light on it.
Yeah, so you know it's got power.
See, this boat is really complicated. Come on. It takes it. It's not going to fire up right now. It takes it. But fingers crossed. I'm opening it up. It's trying to fire right now.
Yeah.
Or because I opened up the system.
Maybe.
They have a way of bleeding the air out of the system.
Kind of like the 12.
Hold on. I just heard it hit. I think we're getting somewhere. Yep. That's probably purging the air out.
Yeah.
There we go. It'll start having heat here any second.
Whew. That's stinky.
Getting any warmth yet?
Yeah.
What's cool is once it fires up,
It doesn't pull a whole lot.
I bet you once it warms up it takes even less.
Yeah.
That's barely any heat.
Yep. Fixed.
That's pumping it right there.
Yeah.
That's as high as it goes.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang.
Not leaking any fuel.
Note to self, don't let it purge air out of the system. Good God,
Or
that's
do it
just...
outside.
Yeah.
It's like an old diesel trying to start. It's only got like 2 out of the 8 cylinders hidden. Or the old 7.3 where it had the
Are you talking about the white truck?
Yeah.
Old Smoky?
the old Smoky. That thing it had to run for about 20 minutes before you could drive.
Yep.
And even then it was questionable. Never had bumps though.
Mm-mm.
Never had bumps. So, yeah. It was an
Fixed.
O-ring. I mean, feel a little guilty now, but
All we wanted was a replacement and they offered the refund.
yeah, quality control, I guess. If they'd at least test fired it, they would have known it leaked. And they could have fixed it. It's alright though. I imagine the longevity's not here. That's what everybody says. These Chinese ones, a couple of years and they're done. But we'll keep tearing it apart and playing with it. Everything's working good. I mean, it's hard to argue with it. attached to the wood. I brought it in more this time though. I want to try to keep it compact so I can fit it in totes. Get the exhaust mounted up. We'll see if this works. Packaging wise, it might. Yup. So, I'm gonna see if it'll fit in a tote.